See students, the germ layers are categorized as diploblastic and triploblastic. So in a diploblastic there is going to be endoderm and ectoderm and a dead layer, and mesoderm will not be present. But in triploblastic all the three germ layers will be present, like that at ectoderm, mesoderm and endoderm, and depending upon that the organisms are classified as eucoelomate with true cavity, pseudocoelomate with false cavity, and a coelomate without any body cavity. So let's see one by one. Body cavity means coelom. Now this coelom is a hollow fluid filled cavity which is found in many living things, not all the living organisms, but in many living organisms such kind of hollow fluid filled cavity will be found, and it will act as a protective cushion for the internal organs. And in worms, coelom will act as skeleton. So this is the meaning of coelom. Coelom means the body cavity. It is going to be hollow fluid filled body cavity. So in case of multicellular animals, during initial period of their embryonic development, body cavity is formed from either mesoderm or gut. Gut means stomach over here. So mesoderm, I told you, the middle layer which develops into the stomach, intestine, into the muscle cells. Mesoderm will further develop into muscle cells, and the endoderm will develop into stomach, intestine, lungs and pancreas. So such type of body cavity is present in animals of phylum Annelida, and all phyla which comes after Annelida, like that of Arthropoda, Mollusca, Echinodermata, Hemichordata, Chordata, this all will possess true body cavity. That means the cavity will be derived from mesoderm, and that is why these are going to be known as the eucoelomate, or the animals with true body cavity. Then body cavity is absent in case of animals from phyla Porifera, and that is why, as there is no body cavity present into such animals like the animals which belongs to phyla Porifera, like that of the sponges and all, so these are going to be known as the this will not have any kind of true cavity, so such kind of animals will be known as acoelomate. That means without any body cavity or without the coelom. So the phylum, the organisms which belongs to phylum Porifera, Cnidaria and Platyhelminthes are acoelomate. You can see over here. So these are the eucoelomates. This is Annelida. So the body cavity will be derived from the mesoderm, and that is why these are known as a eucoelomates. So all the organisms which comes after the phylum Annelida, as I told you, this Annelida, Arthropoda till the Chordata, these all are going to be eucoelomates. Then acoelomates are going to be the Porifera. Then there's a Cnidaria, Platyhelminthes, because they do not have the body cavity which is derived from mesoderm, and that is why they do not have any body cavity at all, and that is why these are going to be known as the acoelomates. Then in case of animals from phylum Aschelominthes, they will have the body cavity, but as it has not been derived from the mesoderm, these are going to be known as the pseudocoelomates. That means false coelomates. So the organisms which belongs to the phylum Aschelominthes are known as a pseudocoelomates. So this is how the animals are classified on the basis of body cavity also. Then body segmentation. Body segmentation means the body will be divided into smaller units, and those are going to be known as the segments of the body. So if the organism is having segmented body, then that animal is going to be known as a segmented bodied animal, or such kind of animals belongs to the phylum Annelida, as into the case of earthworm. So see here, the tree diagram is given that the kingdoms are given over here. The kingdom Animalia. So these are multicellular organisms without cell wall, then body organization, cellular grade, then tissue organ or organ system grade. Then to the cellular grade, these are going to have asymmetrical body, like acoelomate. These are going to be acoelomate, that means without without the body cavity. So these are going to be the Porifera. After that, into tissue organ or organ system grade organization, this will either have radial symmetry. So the one which have radial symmetry, and these are also acoelomate, those are Cnidaria and Platyhelminthes. Then so these are Cnidaria. Then with bilateral symmetry and with acoelomate, that means without the body cavity, these are Platyhelminthes. Then bilateral symmetry but pseudocoelomate, that means false cavity or body cavity, those are Aschelominthes. Then bilateral symmetry but eucoelomate means with true body cavity are Annelida, Arthropoda, Mollusca, Echinodermata, Hemichordata and Chordata. So this is how the tree diagram is, and rest of the things are a phylum Porifera. So this phylums we will study into next video. Till then, have a knowledgeable day. Thank you.